Today's recipe is unmissable, follow along with us. We're starting by adding 700 grams of pork ribs to cook. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of paprika. Add 3 minced garlic cloves. Stir well, cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and stir. Let it cook for 1 more minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. And look how it turned out. Let's take it off the heat and serve. Finish with some chopped parsley and green onions to taste, and it's ready. And here's the result. Well-seasoned, juicy pork ribs with a sweet and savory touch that makes all the difference. We finish it off with parsley and green onions for that fresh final touch. If you like this tip, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. Let us know in the comments what you thought and if you do anything differently. That's it for today. See you next time.